Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, coming with a massive 108 megapixel quad rear cameras with up to 100x optical zoom and 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It will also have a 16GB RAM option and 5G network connectivity. The flagship smartphone from Samsung for 2020. .9 inches dynamic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 1440 by 3200 pixels, 120Hz touch sensing, and Corning Gorilla Glass 6. (108 megapixel AI quad rear cameras, 108 megapixel main, 48 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 5 megapixel for depth sensor. Dual processor option, Snapdragon 865 and Exynos 990, and GPU Adreno 640. (12 and 16GB RAM, 128, 256 and 512GB storage option. Micro SD card up to 1TB dedicated slot. Lithium-ion 5000 mAh battery with fast battery charging at 45 watts. via USB 2.0 Type-C reversible connector. IP65 and IP68 dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Backside glass with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection. (32 megapixel full punch selfie camera. In-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Subscribe for more updates.